Here I have LENOVO Tab for LTE, and let me show you how to accomplish bypassing Google verification on the following device. So let me show you how to unlock FRP on the following tablet. So at the very beginning, let's start by switching off the device. So let's hold down the power key, choose power off, tab OK. So right now let's insert here the SIM card, you will need it. So let's open this protection at the left edge of the device right here, and let's open the slot for your cards. So let's remove the tray by using the nail finger. Alright, here I have my tray. Here you can insert the nano SIM card right here, so let me do it. Here I have such a card. Alright, now let's put the whole thing into your device. Sorry, let me do it again. Alright. Let's press it to the end, and that's it. Now you can proceed next. So let me switch on the tablet by holding the power key. Let's wait a few seconds until the tablet will be switched on. Alright, so now let me choose setup as a new. The phone is looking for the updates, the device is looking for the available software update. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, the verification screen pops up again, so now you can go back a couple of times. Here let's make sure that you've got the Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, my device is connected to my Wi-Fi, so it's a good sign. Let's go back again, just to the first screen, so to the welcome panel. Here you need to choose the emergency. Right here, let me tap emergency. Choose emergency information, let's tap it again. So you have to tap emergency information twice. Let's choose this edit key right here. Tap continue to the emergency information, choose contacts, here I have contacts, and now you can select add contact. Alright, here you can see a couple of contacts from your SIM card, so that's why you need to insert your SIM card in order to see the following contacts. So let's choose one of the following contacts, it doesn't matter which one. Tap on this contact again, tap allow a couple of times to access contacts, to access a couple of features, and this is your contact. So right now you need to choose the more key in that corner and select share. So let me do it. Here I have share, here I have Gmail. Let's hold down the Gmail for a couple of seconds and choose app info. That's it, the app information pops up. Now select notifications. And when you have the notifications, you need to choose the settings button right here. Tap more key and choose manage accounts. Alright, let's tap continue. And as you can see, the settings of your device pops up. So it's a really good sign. So now let's find and select the security. Here I have security under personal tab. Alright, right here let's enable the unknown sources, tap OK. So you just allow installation of apps from unknown sources. That's what I need. So right now let's go back to find the apps settings. So let's find the apps. Here I have apps under device tab. Choose apps, scroll down to the bottom of the list in order to choose YouTube. Here I have YouTube, and when you have selected the YouTube application, all you need to do is choose notification button, tap the settings. Now from the settings let's choose about. Here let's select Google privacy policy, tap accept and continue, choose no thanks, and that's it. Now we can use the following searcher. So let's use the searcher and let's input here the following website. Download. HardReset.Info. Alright, download.hardreset.info. Now let's find the Lenovo folder. Let's make it bigger, choose Lenovo, and let's download this application. HardReset.Info, shortcut maker, tap continue, tap allow, tap OK, choose open, tap install, tap open. Excellent. Now you need to find the multi-user. So let's do it. Let's scroll down to find the multi-user. Here I have multi-user. Let's tap it. Choose the first one. Tap try button. And this is the multi-user. So now you need to here perform two operations. The first one is the following one. So the one on the bottom of the list right here. So let me tap it. Let me tap it again just to be sure that this operation is accomplished. As you can see here, we've got some progress bar, so let's just wait. If nothing happens, you can try to accomplish the second operation that is also necessary. So add user now, the following one. Let's tap it. And that's it. So now, as you can see, the users list pops up. So now you need to choose the standard user plus add account. Let me go back and let's wait. Afterwards, you need to choose the following option, add user now. Let me do it. Here you can choose the guest profile right here. Tap yes to switch to the guest profile. Tap got it. And that's it. As you can see, the home screen of your tablet just pops up, but you have to do a couple of more steps to fully erase your FRP. So right now let's go to the settings. So let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Here you need to choose the security. So scroll down, tap security. Let's now find the device administrator right here, device administrators, and make sure that you've got deactivated the Find My Device here. So as you can see, in my case it's deactivated. Now it's let's just choose deactivate this device administrator right here. Excellent, that's what you need. So you have to tap on it and make sure that you've got deactivated the Find My Device. So that's it. Now all you have to do is simply press the power key to turn off the tablet, choose power off, tap OK. Alright, and now all you have to do is simply use the following combination, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds just to open the recovery mode. Release both keys as soon as Lenovo logo pops up. And this is the Android recovery mode, so now let's scroll down to highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down again to choose yes and press power button to choose it. The device is whipping data and formatting stuff, and now all you have to do is simply press power key to reboot system. Now let me do it. Let's wait until the device reboots into a welcome panel. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so now let's go through this setup process. Let's choose your desired language. In my case it could be the English one. Alright, let's go. Let me just simply go through this setup process just to show you that I can activate my device without the Google verification. Let me choose don't use any network for setup. It's a good sign that we've got this option. Tap next. Let me tap skip to Lenovo ID. Choose skip. Choose not now to protect my tablet. Skip anyway. Tap more to Google services. Agree. Tap accept license. Let's skip the following information. Choose all set. Tap finish. And that's it. As you can see, just activate your device without the Google verification, so it means that you just fully erase the factory reset protection. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.